It's 8 o'clock now and we're leaving in like 5 minutes, so we're leaving at 8. I didn't eat anything yet because I was busy packing. I'm probably gonna have the mango like once I settle down in the truck. I pack all my stuff into the truck and I'm sitting there, and yeah, I'm probably gonna like listen to a podcast while I eat or something. I like Girls Gotta Eat, Gals on the Go, What We Said podcast. That's a really good podcast. So yeah, see you later. Guys, I'm actually really sorry that I'm using a plastic spoon. Like, I feel really bad because I should have brought a metal spoon because that's really bad for the environment. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, actually, don't do this. Keep this as a reminder. Bring a metal spoon everywhere. So that's actually a tip. Like, bring a metal spoon everywhere. I should be doing this too. Yeah, so I just had half of that. Just like a little treat. Because you want to treat yourself. Yeah, I just had half of this. So yeah, and it is 11:30. This is the only struggle with natural peanut butter. I have to mix it, and I don't have like a sturdy big knife. I'm gonna spill it everywhere. Deeper, 'cause I need you here with me. Much I need ya. Taste tequila. Okay, so I just got home. It's 9 o'clock and we drove for 12 hours. And now I'm gonna make my supper. I know it's so late, but like what I filmed is actually all I ate today. So yeah, I'm gonna make my supper and then I will film what I ate. So I'm finally having my supper. It's super late. Like, this is so not a normal day, but this is a what I eat in a day for traveling. So obviously I got home late. Now I'm gonna eat. It's 9:42. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch my show, eat my supper, and then go to bed.